Okay, what's up, YouTube? You know who it is. This is Space Crypto coming at you again one more time. About to give you another video. Remember to leave a like, remember to share, remember to subscribe, also turn on notifications. Check out my social media links are in the description. They're also at the bottom of this video. Now, real quick, I want to talk to you guys about PulsePad and staking your PulsePad tokens. Now, there has been videos that's been made on this topic. I just feel like a lot of the videos that have been made on this topic don't really do a good job of really explaining this. I know that there's a lot of people that want to understand how you can stake your PulsePad tokens. I'm sure there's some people that's still not clear about how to do this. I don't think PulsePad does a good enough job of really explaining this either. And the videos that's on YouTube are not very good at explaining it. So I think that is something that needs to be explained, and I feel like I'm gonna break it down in this video. So what I want to talk about is the Velas chain and the fact that in order to stake PulsePad, now I've made a video in the past about this, that PulsePad staking is actually open and you can stake on the Velas blockchain. So the thing is that because the Pulse chain is not out as yet, you can't stake the tokens using the Pulse chain. You have to use the Velas chain. That's where PulsePad tokens are currently staked right now. So essentially, in order for you to be able to stake PulsePad, you're gonna have to set up a network. So you're gonna have to add a network to your MetaMask. You gotta put the network name as Velas chain. You wanna put the RPC URL as evmexplorer.velas.com/RPC, chain ID 106. Your currency is going to be VLX, and then your block explorer is going to be this. Now, everything is going to be in the description for this setup, so you don't have to worry about that. You want to add that network, you want to save that. And then what you want to do is that you want to go to wallet.velas.com. Now, you want to set up your wallet. You're going to have to write down your C phrases and then re-enter your C phrase. After you re-enter your C phrase, you'll be able to set up a PIN, and then you can access your wallet. Right? Once you access your wallet, you want to make sure that you add both the Velas BEP20 and the Binance Coin Bet the Binance Coin BEP20 tokens in your wallet, and then you just do that by going here, and then you just go down to BSC network. I already added it, so it's not right here. But if it was not here, then you just have to add those two tokens. So that's the Velas BEP20 and the Binance Coin BEP20. Now, once you add those two tokens to your wallet, what you want to do is send BNB here. So you want to copy this address right here. You want to copy that address. You want to send some BNB here. And then you also want to send some Velas as well as the same address. You want to copy that, send some Velas BEP20 here. Now, how do you get Velas BEP20? You got to go on PancakeSwap. You can go on PancakeSwap, go to exchange, and then you can search for Velas VLX. Now you can search for you can use what you can do is that you can actually go to CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a good way to explain this. So you go to CoinMarketCap, you go to Velas, type in Velas, you click that, and then what you want to do is that you want to copy this address right here. You copy that address right there. You go back to PancakeSwap, and then you paste that address in there. Now you want to import this token. Click I understand. Now you can buy Velas with BNB. So if I wanted to buy like 0.1 BNB worth of Velas, I'll be able to do that. Just connect my wallet, get my Velas, and then what you want to do once you get that, you want to send those tokens right to this address. You want to send that over here, and then once you have your BNB and your Velas, right? What you want to do now is that you want to swap, right? So you want to swap your Velas, and then you want to choose a network. You want to make sure that's Velas EVM, right? And then you want to select the max, right? You want to click max, then you want to click swap, right? The reason why you need BNB is to pay the fees to do that swap. So you don't need a lot of BNB. You could just get like zero point 0.1 BNB. That's fine, and that should be good. Now once you've swapped over to Velas EVM, then what you want to do is that you want to go to bridge.velaspad.io, and then you want to connect. You want to click connect your wallet, and you want to make sure that you're connected to the Binance Smart Chain. So let me actually do that. Let me go over to the Binance Smart Chain. So you want to click connect your wallet, right? But before you can even do that, you have to first bridge PulsePad from KCC pad to the Binance Smart Chain. So what you want to do, you want to go to bridge.kccpad.io. And let me actually do this really quickly so you guys can actually see. Let me go back to this. So let's refresh this. You want to connect your wallet. You want to click this. You want to make sure that you're going from KuCoin community chain. Then you want to connect your wallet like that. And then you want to select PulsePad. Then you want to click max, and then you want to click swap, and then that will swap it over to Binance Smart Chain. Once it's swapped over to Binance Smart Chain, right, now you want to go here, right? You want to switch back your network to Binance Smart Chain. So switch that back over, and let me just. Then you want to click connect wallet. You want to select PulsePad, right? You want to click max, swap, and then that will swap it over to the Velas chain, right? Now, once you're swapped over to the Velas chain, the next step that you want to perform is that you just want to go to staking.pulsepad.io/staking. Now you want to go in your MetaMask. You want to connect to your Velas chain network, and then what you want to do is that once you're connected to your Velas chain network, it automatically shows up exactly how much you're staking. But essentially, you want to follow these steps. So you click I've read, accepted the terms, and then you click next, next, next. And then essentially, you're going to be able to stake tokens on PulsePad. So as you can see, I'm staking 63,000 tokens right now. I got 70,000. I got 70 tokens in rewards right now. I can restake those, or I can withdraw them. It's up to me what I plan to do with that. But yeah, that's right now I don't have any more PulsePad in my wallet. So yeah, but anyways, guys, that's how you essentially do it. I hope that makes sense. I wanted to make sure that that video was easy to understand. Tell me what you guys think. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And have a great day. Pace Crypto signing out. Peace.